welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's all about dresses. If you're looking for the perfect, beautiful dress to wherever you're going, I highly recommend that you stick around and let me know which one was your favorite at the end. In today's video, I am collaborating with Jessica. They have really beautiful dresses and pieces that are very nice, and it's not like your everyday dresses. They're really beautiful, very unique, and of course great quality. I have worked with them before. I'm really excited to work with them again. Since it is not fall yet, I thought, you know what, I gotta show you guys some dresses that they have that I think are absolute stunners. I think these are perfect to go to church, you know, wherever you want. If you're a dress girl like me, I don't need an occasion, I will wear the dress. The one I'm wearing, I have to say, is one of my favorites, but all of them are really beautiful, like feminine, girly. These dresses you can wear to so many places, and I love Jessica because they have just the most amazing dresses. Jessica is one of my favorite places to shop on Amazon when it comes to fashion. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into it, starting off with my favorite dress. Now, it is hard to say this is my favorite dress because all of them really are beautiful, but this one definitely is one of my favorite. This one I almost didn't receive because it sold out, and after I think like a week it came back in stock, so they were asking me to reselect on the dresses, and I was like, no, I really don't want to. So because I really didn't want to, I checked on Amazon and it came back in stock. I let them know and they're like, oh yes, it's available. So I was like, you guys have no idea. I was so excited. This is my excited voice. I do get really excited when it comes to dresses, and this one was the one that I was mostly looking forward to. I love all of them, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna keep all of them because I just can't. I love them too much. But this one I would have to say is my favorite. I cannot wait to use this dress. I'm probably the first thing I'm gonna do is wear this when I go out, wherever the heck I go. I'm gonna wear this. I don't care. I love this. I think the print is so pretty. It looks expensive, guys. It looks one of those dresses that you picked up at a boutique. I really like the color selection. There's like blue and orange. There's white, light blue, purple. It would kind of look almost like it would be a nice floral print, but then at the same time it looks more like watercolors that just were put together, and it's kind of like a painting on yourself, and it's just so beautiful. It is over the shoulder. Of course, you can wear it like that if you want. You can wear it both ways. This is one of those dresses, the reason why I really love this is that you can wear it both ways. For me, I personally love the over the shoulder. Wear some boob tape, guys, and you're good to go. I think this is so flattering. I did get this in a size medium. It fits amazing. I honestly feel like a princess in it. Like, this makes me feel so beautiful. It's so nice, so flattering. It hugs me in the right places, and then it flows down beautifully. This actually has been on my wish list. This I got in the size small because it has the I think it's called the sheared, or I think it's called the sheared, yeah, right here. And one thing about dresses like this I noticed, especially from Jessica, I always get it now in a size small because last time I got it in the medium, it had extra gathering right here, and it kind of like gathers. It's just not flattering, so I got this. Now this is not strapless. It does have these two ties right here that you tie them around into like a cute little bow. But I really love this. This is very nice and stretchy, but then as it goes down, it's very nice and flowy. It is so beautiful. I got in the classic black because I've been really wanting something like this in the black. I just think it's so nice. You could dress this up definitely to go to a dinner, or you can wear it more like casual to go to church, brunch. You know, I just love this because it's one of those pieces that you can definitely wear more elevated. People will think that you look, you know, you spend $1 million on it, you will look put together, and it's so flattering, guys. That's the reason why I love it. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a really beautiful dress. It is a maxi. Moving on to another black dress. Now this one is the second one that I got. I have this one in the color white, and I loved it so much that I decided to get it in the black. Guys, this is beautiful. This makes me feel like Little House on the Prairie vibes, like, you know, where you're just running in the prairie, and then you sit down and you have a picnic, and that's the life I envision with this dress. This is so pretty. It has like the really beautiful puffy sleeves. You can wear this like that or over the shoulder, which is really nice. I did get this in a size small, And again, it does have like that sheared on the top, and then it flows down at the bottom. So yeah, I got this in a size small because again, it has that same material, which I know would fit nicely, and I like it fitted on top right here, and then to flow down, I think it's made beautifully. And this one is just gorgeous. Definitely wear with some heels, some pumps or wedges, sandals, wherever. You could wear this to the beach, to a dinner, to church, to brunch. Dress it up with some accessories to make it look more dressy or tone it down, however you like. This is perfectly like your staple sundress, and I like this because, like I said, you could definitely wear it from day to night. Moving on to a dress that it's almost the same as the black one I just showed you, but this one is in the color white, and it is short sleeves. I always wanted a shorter length white dress that is actually very flattering. I've gotten a lot of white dresses, and some I love, some I'm like it's okay, but this one, because I love it that much, I knew I was gonna love it in the short sleeve, and I really absolutely adore this dress. I got this as well in the size medium, not medium, size small, because again, it does have like that that sheared where it's like really nice and comfortable. It has the poofy sleeves. You can wear it like this or over the shoulder. I am gonna wear this over the shoulder. I think this dress just looks so beautiful like that, but of course, you do you. I love the way it looks right here, and I really appreciate the fact that it's lined. I think that is a big deal, guys, because when it comes to a white dress, if it's not lined and it looks like this, especially for it being like a sundress, it's gonna be see-through regardless. I really love this, highly recommend it. I think this is so beautiful, so elegant. I honestly feel like one of those rich aunties with this. The last dress that I want to show you guys, that I feel like this is their new dress because I haven't seen it on their store. I always kind of check out Amazon, and I go in their store from time to time, and I check out whatever new items they have, and I've never seen this one before until when I seen this one, I picked it up so fast. This is truly beautiful. I got this in a size medium, and this one is one of those pieces that has no stretch. This in this gorgeous periwinkle blue. It does have this tie-up right here in the back, and I really love this. I think this is very flattering. Look how it looks. It's so pretty. All those layers. It is so gorgeous. It is lined, so you don't have to worry about anything showing through. This honestly is one of those dresses that you can wear to a wedding. You could dress it up with some really nice rhinestone heels, a nice clutch, and you're ready for a wedding. If you want like a really nice romantic dress to walk around the beach, I think this is perfect. Especially if you're having like a really nice anniversary or a birthday and you want to feel special. I think this is beautiful. Absolutely love this. This is so unique. That's what I love about Jessica. Their pieces are very unique. So nice and soft, guys. I really wish you could feel how nice and lightweight it is. But it's soft. It's semi-sheer right here, but of course you don't have to worry about it being see-through, like I said, because it is lined underneath. So yes, this one is absolutely stunner. That is it. Those are all the dresses that I wanted to show you guys from Jessica. Like I said, please let me know which one was your favorite, and if you're gonna pick up anything, let me know. I'm really curious. I would really love to hear from you guys. And if you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're not. Make sure you click that subscribe button right now, and until next time, remember, God bless. Ciao.